Hi everybody, this is Professor Raleigh here. I hope you're doing well. The reason for my little video here is I wanted to touch base with you guys as you're starting to draft your problem solution essay, hopefully starting the research process for that as well. You just recently turned in your mapping my problem sort of drafting outline so I could see sort of where you were headed with the assignment. And a lot of you are on the right track, and I'm looking forward to reading the final versions of your essay. But since we're still in sort of the beginning stages here, I wanted to go over a couple things just to keep in mind in terms of structuring your essay. So in addition to this video, you'll note in the, like as a link below my video, as it's posted in the announcement, you'll see a link to a sample student paper. This is a sample from a previous student of mine who gave me permission to use his work as an example for future students. And so the reason I'm posting it now is a couple of things. I want you to note the structure of his thesis statement. It is very, very self-evident and problem solution driven. And what I mean by that is the problem solution essay you want to keep in mind is not a straightforward argumentative essay, even though it is still an argument. So in an argumentative essay, you're maybe using language, especially in your thesis, like should or shouldn't, right? We would or wouldn't, right? It's sort of like an either or. You're arguing for or against an idea or a position. So for example, in a straightforward argumentative essay, you might have language like children should not have access to a cell phone before the age of 13. And then you're going to give reasons A, B, and C for why that may be. In a problem solution essay, the language is going to be more aligned with something like, it is a growing problem, children having access to cell phones at such a young age. The reasons why this is a problem are yada, yada, yada. And so there's just a slight change in language there that's going to change the structure of your essay and allow you to talk about why the problem exists, why it is a problem, the community that is most affected by the problem. And the example I just gave you would be children, right? They're the particular stakeholder there. And then what a solution to that problem is, right? And that's really where a good portion of your essay is going to be dedicated to is what that solution is, how it's going to function, how it's going to be paid for. Is it a long-term solution or a short-term solution? And, so on and so forth. So the sample paper that I'm providing, the student does a few things. One, to go back to the appropriate problem solution language, he's not using the should not, would not, could not, did not type of language. He's using language that is problem solution based. So you'll see that he's saying this is a problem because, right? And that particular essay that I'm posting, it's about police brutality and excessive force. And he's saying that, arguing that this is an ongoing or increasing problem in the United States. And he offers a solution for that problem near the end of his essay. So I want you to pay particular attention to how he supports his thesis throughout the essay, the transitions that he makes from paragraph to paragraph, and how he integrates research, okay? And I'm actually gonna provide you a separate little research, how to integrate research video or kind of tips to remember separate than this one, so this one doesn't get too long. But ultimately, that's what I wanted to share with you today, is keeping in mind that you want to be structuring your paper so that it is a problem solution paper, not a straightforward argumentative essay. And so I'm hoping the example that I'm posting will clear that up for you. And I'm going to try and track down another one that does some similar things correctly, just so you have another something to look at. But that's all for now. Again, take a look at that sample essay that you'll see directly below the link to my video. And if anybody, please let me know if you have trouble seeing or hearing this video right now, and I will make sure to provide the closed captions for you. But at this point, I don't think that's a problem for anyone unless I don't know. So please let me know if it is a problem for you, and I will make sure to get you an alternate version or an e-text. So anyway, guys, I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much for your time, and keep writing, keep working, and yeah, look out for more announcements from me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.